2 of my celery experiment.
So what we're gonna do is he's gonna take each one out, break it in half, and pull the celery and see if the roots have soaked up any red food coloring. Why don't you turn it on the bottom where the food coloring is, and then break it, and then pull it.
Like this?
Sure. Alright, let's look. So on the bottom here, let's see.
A little bit soaked up.
Yep, a little bit of the red dye soaked up with the water, as everyone can see. Alright.
Not very much though.
No, not very much, just a little bit. And we've had it sitting for about 45 minutes. So we'll move this one out of the way. And which one are you going to do next?
This one.
Okay. So now we're going to do the milk and the green food coloring. Let's see what this one, right here I see. This one soaked up a little bit, as you can see, but not as much as the red.
Definitely not as much as Definitely not as much as. Why are you putting that so close?
Definitely not as much as the red, you're gonna say?
No, definitely not.
Okay. Here, why don't you just move this closer to you? And this one is the soap and blue food coloring.
A lot.
And that blue food coloring soaked up
The most.
You think that soaked up the most?
Maybe.
Alright. And Xavier thinks that the soap...
Hey! Webb
thinks that the soap soaked up the most. So that was the blue and the soap. And the second one that soaked up the most is...
the red.
Okay, the red one with the water and the red food coloring.
Yep.
And the last one that soaked up the least would have been...
the green one.
Can you show it in the camera? Which would be the green food coloring and the milk. Yeah.
So nothing. Now what should I do?
So I guess that's the experiment, and whoever chose the soap and the blue food coloring was the winner.
Make sure to subscribe.